If you would like to view information specific to a certain school and you are on the district homepage, you will want to go over to the schools dropdown and select the school that you are wishing to view the information for. For example, the high school. Once we click on the high school, we'll be taken to the high school homepage with information specific to the high school. In the button bar, you can find additional information as well as in the school news, the live feed, and at the bottom in the program section. This will be unique to each school. For example, if we were to click the middle school, this information has changed, as well as some of the sub information for the principal counseling. The activities will be the same. Student handbook will have changed, as well as the school news, the live feed, and the program section will also be specific to the middle school now. If at any time you would like to get back to the district homepage or switch schools, as we just switched from the high school to the middle school, you can click that drop down again, select a different school. You can select the district homepage here, or you can click on the district homepage in the upper right hand corner, and you will be taken back to the homepage there.